Hello learners, welcome to our today's learning session. We continue with the subunit measures of central tendency. In our last lesson, we worked out the mean of ungrouped data. Today, we want to focus on the calculation of the mode and median of ungrouped data. So learners, our today's lesson is about measures of central tendency. Measures of central tendency. We want to work out the mode and median of ungrouped data. Ungrouped data. That's what we are going to do in our today's lesson. So we will start by we'll first work out the mode of ungrouped data. So learners, when we say mode is simply the value that appears most in a set of data. It is a quantity that is most frequent in a set of data, the most common, the value that occurs many times in a set of data, and here we want to focus on the ungrouped data. So let's have some examples. I write the examples on the board. I'm going to write the examples on the board. State the modes of A 3, 6, 7, 3, 8, 4, 8, 4, 7, 9, 7, 9, 8, 7, 3, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7. Then B 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 4, 2, 5, 3, 2, 3, 2, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 8, 5, 8, 8, 8, 2, 5. State the modes. So in finding out mode of such data, learners, is always advisable to draw a frequency distribution table of the said data. So in answering A, we are going to answer, but first we will draw a frequency distribution table for A, where we'll have the quantities. We'll have column for quantities. We'll have a column for the tally. Then we'll have the frequency. This will help us identify the values that appear most. The mode. So here, learners, in part A we have 3, 6, 7, 3, 8, 4, 7, 9, 8, 7, 3, 6, 7. So the values are ranging from 3, the least value there is 3, Then we have next one is 4. Do you have 5? No, you have 5, but we have 6 in this set. 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8. Then we have 9. We have 9. So we can now then tally. We are going to tally. So 3 appears how many times? 1, 2, 3. So we have the tallies 1, 2, 3. 4 appears how many times? We have 4 here once. That is 1 tally. 1 stroke represents 1 tally. So we have 1 stroke. 6, 1, 2. So there are 2 strokes. 1, 2. 1, 2. Then learners, number 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. Then 8, how many tallies? 1, have only 1. Then 9, 1. 9, you also have 1. So you can put down the number of times the values are appearing. Number 3 appears 1, 2, 3 times. 3 times. 4 appears once. 6 appears here, occurs 2 times. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 once. 9 once. So the mode here is the mode is equal to 7. 7. You can see here 7 occurs most of the times, 4 times. So 7 is the mode of this data. That is part A. Then part B, let's try part B. We'll use the same table, frequency distribution table. Frequency distribution table. So we come here and check these values. The values are ranging from 2 to 8. 2 to 8. So we have 2. Then we have 3. Yes, we have 3, followed by 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, have 5. Do you have 6? Do you have 6? Do you have 7? Yes, 7 and 8. So 7 and 8. So let's tally. 2 appears how many times here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 we have 1, 2, 3, 4 strokes. Then 3, 1 only once. 1 appears only once. 4 we have 1. 4 appears once. Frequency once. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 7, 1. It's only once. 7 once. Then learners, how about 8? You have 1, 2, 3. 8 you have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 5 we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So learners, what is the mode of this data? The mode, we'll have to get the frequencies. Frequency of 2 occurs 4 times, 3 occurs 1 time, 4 once, 5 occurs 4 times 7 ones and 8 3. So the answer, the mode is equal to 2 and 2 and 4. 5, I mean 2 and 5. 2 appears 4 times, 5 appears 4 times. So the mode is 2 and 5. So learners, you need to note that it is possible to have more than one mode in a set of data, like it is in this case. The mode is 2 and 5. It is possible to have more than one mode in a set of data. You need to note that one down. You need to note that important point. Data set can have more than one mode. You write this one down, very important. Very important. A data set can have more than one mode, like is the case in this example. So that's how to compute or find the mode of ungrouped data. Ungrouped data. So let's move on to the determination of median. This is the mode. How about median? How do you find the median of ungrouped data? Median of ungrouped data. Median of ungrouped data. So here we have median. Now, to determine the median of any given data, learners, then first the data values have to be arranged either in ascending order or descending order. Ascending order or descending order, so that the middle item, the value that appears in the middle of the list that has been arranged in ascending order or descending order, will be the median. So when you can write when data is arranged in ascending or descending order, the middle item or number is the median. But how about where the number of items is an even number? Now, in that case, you can write if the number of items is if the number of items are even, then the average of the two middle numbers is the median. So there are two scenarios. If the number of items are odd, then the middle value will be the median. But if the number of items are even, then the average of the two middle numbers will be the median of that set of data. of that set of data. So let's have some examples. I write the examples on the board. Find the median of 1. Find the median of A. Let me start with simple numbers. A, 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Then B, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Then we have 12. So let's answer this. Answer. Find the median of 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Now we say that if you want to get the median of any set of data, first you arrange the data values in either ascending or descending order. Now, by observation, you can see these numbers are already arranged in ascending order. Now, after arranging the numbers in ascending order, then you check the number that appears at the center, at the middle. And this number for this data is 5. 5 is at the middle because there are 2 numbers on the left of 5 and 2 numbers on the right. So the median is equal to 5. How about B? The data is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. So if you are to count these values, you get an even number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is an even number. If you are dealing with an even number, then we say that the 2 numbers, the average of the 2 numbers that appear at the center or at the middle of the data will be the mean. So these are 6, and the 2 numbers at the middle are 6 and 8, because there are 2 numbers to the left of 6 and 8 and 2 numbers to the right of 6 and 8. So the median for this data, median will be the average of 6 and 8. And how do you get the average? We take 6, add 8, divide by 2. This will be equal to 14 divided by 2, which is equal to 7. So that is how to calculate the median of ungrouped data. Okay, the total values can either be an odd number or an even number, and we have seen how to calculate the median in both cases. So learners, that will mark the end of our today's lesson, where we have learned how to calculate the mode and the median of ungrouped data. And as it is our custom, I'm going to give you assignment. I'll now give you assignment on what we have learned in our today's lesson. And this assignment, I'll send you to your book, the pupil's book. I want you to go and do exercise. This is assignment. Go and do exercise 18.1, question 6 to question 16. question 6 to question 16 from the student's book. Make sure the assignment is done before you come to the next lesson. And in case you'll have any problem answering any of these questions, you can go online, post your questions, and we will answer your questions right here on the board. Bye bye.